Shrivastava from WDF University. Goat rearing is very popular because they are valuable domestic animals. Goats are rearing for meat, milk, fiber and skin. It plays a significant role in the economy and nutrition of landless, small and marginal farmers in the country. Goats can efficiently survive on available shrubs and trees in adverse, harsh environment in low fertility. People of almost every category are rearing goats easily due to low cost and simple maintenance. The market prices of their products are very high. Goats are hence rightly called as poor man's cow. Goat rearing is becoming a dominant means of self-employment. Investment needed for goat farming is very much less as compared to other livestock species. Goat creates employment to the rural poor besides effectively utilizing unpaid family labor. No new technique or training is required for goat rearing. Manure is made from goat's dung, which is used in crops. This increases the fertility of the soil. Modern methods of goat rearing. A goat is an animal that is capable of living in almost all climates. Goats are multifunctional animals. One can produce a wide variety of products from them like milk, meat, fiber, manure, etc. Currently, goat farming has become a profitable business and requires a very low investment. Selection of housing. The location of raising cattle should be a major priority for any farmer. But in the case of goat rearing, we select such type of land that is infertile or wasteland. It costs very less. The location should be free from poisonous plants because the goat will eat anything that is green. Always choose a high place so water does not collect during rainy days. Next, we'll talk about food management. Goats are herbivorous animals. Usually, goats prefer to eat grass, plants, shrubs and herbs. Feeding nutritious food to goats keeps them healthy, increases milk and increases productivity. According to experts, 3 types of food should be given to goats: green fodder, dry fodder, grain. Green fodder. Apart from grazing, goats also like to eat the green leaves of the tree, like banyan trees, peepal leaves, tamarind leaves and jackfruit leaves, etc. We can also feed goats by growing grass as green fodder. Next, dry fodder. Hay and straw can be given to goats to eat. Grains. Only green and dry fodder is not enough for goats. It is also necessary to give them some amount of grain like bran, maize, etc. Fodder arrangements. In such areas where rainfall is not enough, goats are given oats, pigeon pea, cowpea and napier grass in fodder. We can grow fodder in places where irrigation is provided. In such places, we can give goats grass like berseem and raska grass. The farmers who grow root vegetables, they throw the remaining leaves after selling the vegetables. Instead of throwing, they can give goats to eat. For example, cabbage and cauliflower leaves. At waterlogging areas, mercury grass is grown. This grass thrives well in water logging areas to feed goats. In the barren land, tree leaves are suitable for fodder. Precautions while giving fodder. Never keep the fodder on the ground. Do not feed fodder drowned in the pond. If the fodder is wet, first dry it. Dry fodder should not be rotten. Caring methods. Clean the place regularly. Do not keep more than needed goats in a place. Keep kids separate from mature goats. Give goats clean water. Get goats vaccinated periodically. Do spray germicides regularly in living place. Give medicines to goats to prevent insects and diseases. Keep sick goats apart and get them treated immediately. Signs of illness. Behavior becomes unusual. Showing little interest in food or water. Isolates himself from the rest of the herd. Drying skin. Body temperature rises up to 102 degrees Celsius to 103 degrees Celsius. Speed of taking breath increases. If such symptoms are found in the goat, it should be treated immediately. Major breeds of goats. About 102 species of goats are found in the world. Out of these, about 20 species are reared in India. Black Bengal. Black Bengal goats are normally black, though it can also be found in white and brown color. The goat of this species is found in Bihar, Bengal, Jharkhand, Assam and North Odisha. Adult male goat weighs about 18 to 20 kg and adult female goat weighs about 15 to 18 kg. Both male and female goats have small or medium horns. The ears of Black Bengal goats are short. The fertility of this breed is very good. It reproduces 3 times in 2 years. It gives birth to 2 to 3 children at a time. The lamb of this breed attains adulthood at the age of 8 to 10 months and gives children for the first time at an average age of 15 to 18 months. The goat of this breed produces very less milk. Next, Jamuna Puri. Goats of this breed are considered suitable for milk production. The body size of Jamuna Puri is bigger and taller than other breeds. They are of white, black, yellow, brown or various mixed colored. This goat has long sized legs with long hair in the thigh and back legs. Adult male goat weighs about 70 to 90 kg and an adult female goat weighs about 50 to 60 kg. The weight of its children is about 2.5 to 3 kg. Jamuna Puri gives milk about 1.5 to 2 liters daily. These goats depend mainly on leaves and bushes. Next, beetle goat. Most of the beetle goats are in red or golden brown color with white spots. But in the body size, it is smaller than Jamuna Puri. Its ear is long, wide and hanging. Adult male goat weighs about 55 to 60 kg and an adult female goat weighs about 45 to 55 kg. Beetle goat gives birth to pair in a year. Next, Barbary goat. It looks like deer and its breed is mainly found in Agra and Mathura of UP. These have brown spots with white color. The Barbary is a dual-purpose breed reared both for meat and also for milk. Adult male goat weighs about 35 to 40 kg and an adult female goat weighs about 25 to 30 kg. Next, Sarohi goat. This breed is reared for milk production. Goats of this breed can also be raised without grazing. Sarohi goat is a medium-sized animal. It is brown colored with dark or light brown patches. Adult male goat weighs about 40 to 50 kg and an adult female goat weighs about 35 to 40 kg. Shankar breed. This breed is produced by the combination of goats of any two breed. PPR or goat plague. Pestis petitus ruminans, also known as goat plague, is a viral disease of goats and sheep. This disease causes fever, sores in mouth, diarrhea, pneumonia, and sometimes death. It is caused by morbilli virus, which is related to rinderpest, measles, and canine distemper. It is devastating to animals. PPR infection usually ends up killing 70 to 80% of the animals in a herd. Baby and young animals usually become victim to this disease. Symptoms. The normal body temperature of a goat is 103 degrees Fahrenheit, but in this disease, it increases to 105 to 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Symptoms of pneumonia and diarrhea begin to appear. Sores appear in the mouth of goats. The goat becomes very weak. Discharge from the eyes and nose, which form a crust, making breathing difficult and forcing eyes to shut. Their breath smells awful. Prevention. PPR vaccine should be given on the advice of the vet as the goat is born. Getting vaccinated will get rid of this disease for 3 years. Treatment. If symptoms of PPR appear in the goat, then it should be treated immediately. First of all, consult the vet. In this condition, the goat should be given either a salt sugar solution or jaggery. Anti-diarrheal medications should be given to prevent diarrhea. Treatment. If symptoms of PPR appear in the goat, then it should be treated immediately. First of all, consult the vet. In this condition, the goat should be given either a salt sugar solution or jaggery. Anti-diarrheal medications should be given to prevent diarrhea. These medicines supply the deficiency of electrolytes and minerals in the body. Antibiotics are used to avoid infections. Antipyretic is used to avoid fever. Treatment. If symptoms of PPR appear in the goat, then it should be treated immediately. First of all, consult the vet. In this condition, the goat should be given either a salt sugar solution or jaggery. Antidiarrheal medications should be given to prevent diarrhea. These medicines supply the deficiency of electrolytes and minerals in the body. Antibiotics are used to avoid infections. Antipyretic is used to avoid fever. If the PPR treatment is done at the right time, then the death rate can be reduced from 75 to 80% to 10 to 15%.